Welcome back to John's Studio Travel Vlog. In part 3 of our Hyderabad City Tour series, we invite you to join us on a mesmerizing journey to Osman Sagar Lake, a serene oasis nestled amidst the bustling cityscape of Hyderabad. Embark on a tranquil journey to Osman Sagar Lake in part 3 of our Hyderabad City Tour series. Discover the serene beauty of this picturesque reservoir, surrounded by lush greenery and rolling hills. Don't miss the opportunity to visit Osman Sagar Lake on your next trip to Hyderabad. Location details are provided in the description box below. Like, share, and subscribe to John's Studio Travel Vlog for more captivating adventures. And stay tuned for part 4 of our series, coming soon. Osman Sagar Lake, locally known as Gandipet Lake, is a remarkable man-made reservoir sprawling over approximately 46 square kilometers. Situated about 20 kilometers west of Hyderabad, it serves as a crucial water source for the twin cities of Hyderabad and Secunderabad. Constructed in 1920 by the 7th Nizam of Hyderabad, Mir Usman Ali Khan, Osman Sagar Lake stands as a testament to the visionary efforts aimed at averting calamitous floods, exemplified by the devastating 1908 flood that ravaged the city. Under the stewardship of renowned engineer Sir Mokshagundam Vishweswaraya, the construction of Osman Sagar Lake commenced, eventually fulfilling its purpose to safeguard the burgeoning population of Hyderabad. Despite the city's population being a mere 4 lakhs at the time, the reservoir was designed to cater to the needs of over 13 lakh individuals. Nestled amidst lush grasslands and verdant parks, Osman Sagar Lake offers a serene escape from the urban hustle. Adorned with sprawling gardens boasting a kaleidoscope of vibrant flora, the surroundings paint a picturesque panorama. Overlooking the lake stands the historic Sagar Mahal, once the summer retreat of the Nizam of Hyderabad. Today, it has been transformed into a lake resort managed by the Telangana State Tourism Development Corporation. The structure offers a stunning vantage point, allowing visitors to behold the majesty of the reservoir. Osman Sagar Lake is not merely a scenic attraction, it is also a heaven for avian enthusiasts. Seasonal birds such as Bonelli's eagle, booted eagle, and greater spotted eagle, among others, grace the skies, enriching the ecological tapestry of the area. Adjacent to Osman Sagar Lake lies Ocean Park, the first theme park in Hyderabad and Secunderabad. Spread across 20 acres of landscaped gardens. Whether one seeks a leisurely stroll, a family picnic, or adrenaline-pumping adventures, Osman Sagar Lake caters to diverse interests throughout the year. As a cherished landmark in Hyderabad, it embodies the city's legacy as a city of lakes, embodying the foresight of its founders and serving as a perennial source of tranquility and recreation for generations to come. Don't miss the opportunity to visit Osman Sagar Lake on your next trip to Hyderabad. Location details are provided in the description box below. Like, share, and subscribe to John Studio Travel Vlog for more captivating adventures. And stay tuned for part 4 of our series, coming soon.